Welcome back to my channel. Finally here, new video, Bang & Olufsen Emerge review and unboxing. Right here. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Oh yes, and also if you're new here, please subscribe so you can see more of my reviews and unboxing, demos, etc. All my videos. And click that notification bell so you just get a little buzz on your phone when I make a new video. But yeah. And if you don't want to see the unboxing and all the different I show setting it up and plugging in and stuff like that, just skip to the end. Skip to the review bit. But yeah, here we go. So here's the box. Nice high-res photo on front. Different highlights here. And yeah, I'll talk about this later in the review. Very nice. So yeah, you can see it's been opened already. Okay, let's just get. Always like that little sound. You just pull open. There we go. Just put that down. Ooh. And it just opens like a book. There you go. There it is. So we've got a protective bit, and of course these would have served some protection as well. But here, straight looking at you, the speaker itself. And also, yeah, they've got a power adapter, and this is actually the same internationally. And yeah, USB-C, same internationally, because you get this little box, which I will open now. Bit fiddly, hold on. Only 2 hands. Here it is. There. So that just slides in, and this will be different for each country, of course. Yeah. So then here you just slide it in down here. Click. And that goes into the wall. It's not great quality. See, it's a little flimsy, but it serves its purpose. Right, in the next clip I will show plugging it in. Let's plug it in then. So, yeah, there's a speaker. Very nice. You're just greeted with this beautiful slim design. And saves, like the box isn't too bad in size. So a bit environmental conscious and stuff. So you've got the little guide. Bang & Olufsen app, which I will get into in the review. Different, tells you how to do it, just safety guides and stuff. Oh wow, and a new little bit saying how to take care of the wood. Yeah, it wouldn't come like this. Can't get into it. Yeah, that, I think it's just a bit of paper. I mean, all right. Can I get that out? Oh yeah, so yeah, just a little bit of paper saying just wipe it down, you know, common sense, with water. Oh yeah, and this one I would not suggest putting in the bathroom or you know, anything where it gets hot, because yeah, 75% humidity, it will rot. Rot, or you know, just become bad. But look at all this look at all the padding we get with this. That's quite sturdy for a bit of cardboard. See, just adds protection to it. So yeah, let's get this plugged in. So we are in action. Set up to the Wi-Fi, and that's all set up now. I'm so sorry I couldn't show you the setup app. The app to the setup pages and stuff, but it's really easy, and you know, it takes like 5 minutes. It's really easy, but I'll show you here on my iPad. I've got the Bang & Olufsen app here, so the headphones in the video, headphones in the video, I will show you that at the card on the end of the clip, and I'll link to that review. Beosound Emerge on the Wi-Fi, straight here. So I've got all the radio, different things here. Yeah. Really easy. And also, yes, the sound settings, room compensation here. I've already done that, but yeah, there's no audio going. Already done that. But yeah, basically, I'll tell you more about it in the full review. Basically, it plays the noise and it can tell how far away it is from the wall and the ceiling. And then it will, well, you know, it'll know how to tune the sound from there. But I'll play some radio 1, just to show you. There, just one click, we've got it playing. And then you can, yep, easy. Great. That's the unboxing. I'll be getting to the full review in the next clip. Review time. So I've changed my format of my reviews. If you have seen my previous headphone review, the H4, then you'll know it has changed. I've changed to an unscripted approach, so that it's better for me and for you guys. So it's a more natural review experience. And also, yeah, this particular review with the Emerge and other wireless speakers I do will be split up into five sort of segments. So build quality, sound, features, design, and my opinion, my full opinion of the speaker. So let's get into it. Build quality is really good. There's 2 different color options. So you've got black and this gold tone I've got right here. And the gold tone includes, you know, a little gold pedestal that comes with, and real oak sides, which makes the speaker one of the most premium speakers on the market at the moment. However, the black color does not have these oak panels on the side. It's just polymer, sort of textured polymer, which is nowhere near as premium as the gold one. And as I said earlier, you have to pay a price for the oak, 120 quid more, I think, which is, in my personal opinion, it's worth it, but you need to see which, you know, what fits your room the best. Sound on the Beosound Emerge is okay. I say this because it could be so much better. I think it's due to its size, because the design is so thin, which makes it great, of course. And I'll talk more about that in the design section. But it just cramps the bass too much, and it makes it quite a thin sound, which some people like, because it definitely has more clarity than other speakers, and the quality just seems nicer, and suits a more premium speaker like the Emerge. But talking about the tone side of things, I do believe that, you know, the room calibration, which I mentioned in the unboxing, it's hard to explain, because it does change it according to the room, and it does help a little bit, bass-wise only, because it doesn't touch the treble, leaves the treble alone, and the mids do get a little processed when using room calibration, which is just not what you want, really. It's just not, it can be so much better, this room calibration, but it's just not quite there. The design of the Beosound Emerge is ridiculously beautiful. It's slim, it's classy, it's stylish, everything you want from a high-end speaker, like the Emerge, and it fits perfectly into any space. Fits perfectly into any space because it's just so small. So if you got like the selling point is these different scenes. So like a bookcase, like a shelving unit, like I've got back here, fits nicely in there, or just on the sideboard, just in the background. It just keeps nice and tidy. No wires like a passive system, you know, like amplifier, big speakers. No, it's just simple, slim design, and it works for people that have small spaces, and the sound matches a small space as well. So the design is what it's made for. The small active speaker for a small room. On the features side of the speaker, the Beosound Emerge is riddled with as many high-tech features as you could ever want. So connectivity-wise, it has AirPlay to Chromecast, Bluetooth, line-in, the lot. So I would suggest AirPlay. If you have an Apple device, always use AirPlay, because it's far better quality than Google Chromecast. But if you are on Android, please use like Bluetooth or line-in, because Chromecast is not very good, unless you think differently, of course. But that's what I just suggest. And other features concerning other things than connectivity, there's the controls on the top, which are very useful when controlling the Emerge when you don't have your phone or the app nearby. Considering price, sound, features, design, all these different factors, should you buy, think about, or just get rid of the Beosound Emerge from your shortlist? I think you should just think about it, because it's not for everyone, definitely not for everyone. Although it's beautiful design, and it fits everywhere. But I would definitely not put it in a large room, quite a large room. It's more for like an office or just a small place, like a living room maybe. But yeah, just think about it. Definitely get a demo in store, because my last video, it didn't really cut the experience you get. So definitely go for a demo in store. And after watching all this, if you don't think it's for you, then I've got a few other speakers I would suggest. So if you're thinking about the price, you can't, it's a bit too much out your budget, then I think the Beosound M3 or the M5 would work really nice for you. And the sound is pretty much the same thing if you like the sound and stuff. But if the price is okay, but the sound is not quite what you think a speaker should be, so if you like more bass or some different features, something like that, definitely think about getting a Bose Sound Link, I think it's called. Same sort of price. But if budget is not an object, then the Dali Catch one is also a good one. But yeah, if budget doesn't concern you, then definitely go for like the name Muso or Bang & Olufsen Sound Stage. They're both really good speakers, and yeah, but not quite as small as this, of course. Thanks guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it if you subscribe and click the notification bell. And my new channel is growing nicely. So share with your friends and family and everyone you know. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.